Imagine if the very force holding you to the earth suddenly doubled. In an instant, every human, every animal feels the crushing weight of their own body, twice as heavy. Standing is no longer an act of habit. It is a monumental struggle against a world that wants you down. Our machines, designed for one gravity, begin to fail. Springs snap, tires burst, engines scream, but the extra weight is too much. The world of motion grinds to a halt. And in the skies, the nightmare begins. Lift is no longer enough to fight the pull. Flight becomes a fall. Millions of tons of steel reclaimed by the earth. Why? Basic physics. Gravity is the pull between masses. If the earth's mass or the constant changes, everything changes. Weight is your mass times gravity. Twice the gravity means you weigh twice as much. Your heart, your bones, they weren't built for this. The pressure on your spine is relentless. Every bone, every joint screams under the load. Blood becomes heavier. Your heart must pump twice as hard just to get oxygen to your brain. Fainting is the body's first surrender. Internal organs are pressed down. Breathing becomes a chore. Every gasp is a battle. Then, the structures we built to reach the heavens begin to crumble. Steel and concrete, rated for a different world, reach their breaking point. The foundations are screaming. Global systems fail. Power lines snap under their own increased weight. The grid goes dark. Communications are lost. The world becomes a collection of isolated, crushed pockets of humanity. Even the oceans change. Tides are pulled closer, heavier. The very shape of our world is being rewritten. Trees that stood for centuries fall. Nature is being brought to its knees. The atmosphere itself is compressed. The air we breathe becomes denser at sea level and thinner above. But in the darkness, the instinct to survive remains. We adapt because we have to. We learn to move differently. We build differently. We find strength in the crushing weight. Science tells us this is unlikely, but it reminds us how perfectly balanced our world is. We live in a delicate equilibrium. One small change, and the rules of existence are rewritten. The cost would be unimaginable, but the spirit is not so easily crushed. We would rebuild, closer to the ground, stronger, more resilient. In the heaviness, we would find new ways to connect, new ways to endure. From the simplest fall to the weight of our cities, everything would be a testament to our struggle. Silence would fall over much of the world, a heavy, crushing silence. But where there is life, there is hope. Even under twice the weight, the fire of survival burns. The chaos would be absolute, the transition violent. Everything we know would be tested, every law of engineering broken. Eventually, order would emerge from the weight, a new world for a heavier life. Our hearts would grow stronger, our resolve unbreakable. The sun would rise on a different earth, a planet of giants and survivors. Life finds a way, it always has, it always will. Cherish the light and the balance we have today, for it is the only world we have ever known. Survival isn't about the strength to stand, it's about the will to never stay down, no matter the weight we endure.